Respond to a discussion forum or thread. So inside of this new system, as we're communicating back and forth, one of the main elements is going to be discussion boards and forums and threads, and we're going to need to know how to respond to one another. So whether you're at the home page and maybe you have the What's New module opened up here, and it's telling you, hey, there's discussion boards, there's several new bits of information in there, or if you've gone to the discussion board itself, this is where we're going to find out what's new and what's going on inside of our course. So if we look at the discussion board, if we look at this module here and expand it, and we click on the unread messages, it's going to bring us to the discussion board. If we don't want to, if maybe we don't have that module, we can just click on discussion board and we'll pop right in, and we're still going to have access to great information. So once we're inside of here, we can look and see the total number of posts in any given thread. We can also look and see the number of unread posts inside of this forum, and then we can look at the total number of participants. So in this case, we're going to go ahead and look at example forum. It has 3 posts, 2 of which are unread, and it has 2 participants. So let's see what's going on inside of here. So once we click on the title of the post itself, or of the forum itself, we go in and we see the different threads. Let's take a look. We see that we have an unread thread right up here, and in fact, let's go ahead and move over and let's look at my first post. So demo user has put my first post, and here it is. Here's the my first post, and we say, oh great. So in order to respond to the student, we click on reply. So here's reply. We'll say welcome to the class, and we will submit. So here we've made our response, and that reply goes right inside of there. Let's look at another way that we could have done this as well. If we return to discussion boards, inside of here what we could have done is we could have said, okay, just show me the unread post. So if I click on, instead of clicking on the forum title, if I click on the number of unread posts, it will show me only the unread posts. And you've noticed that it's gone down to 1 now. There was 2 there before. Now there's just 1. So when I click on that, you notice how it doesn't show me the entire forum. It only shows me those threads, those posts that are new. The rest are left out. So if I really want to filter my view down, I can select just the new ones, and I can see them right here. And I have all the same options. I can still reply, and I can add tags and things like that. So from this standpoint, we've now responded to the student. Let's take a look and see how that looks for the student real fast. So when the student would come up here, they can see from, if they look on their home page, if you're using that What's New module, I can see that there's 3 unread posts. The student's going to pop in. Here's example forum, and let's take a look. Oh great, looks like somebody went ahead and responded to that. Look, there's an unread inside of my first post. So let's take a look at it. We'll click on the title itself, and I can see my original post, and I can see here that somebody else has responded to me. So that's the nuts and bolts of how to respond to a discussion thread.